As an IT decision maker, security concerns are always top of mind with any changes to your infrastructure, which makes sense considering that 1 in 5 organizations lose customers due to cybersecurity attacks. And that customer lost can cost up to 30% in revenue loss. But the reality is, you've also got a lot of other priorities to manage outside of just security projects. And some of these projects, like transitioning to a Microsoft 365 cloud solution, can leave you asking more questions related to your security concerns. This is where SHI can help you. Mitigate threats to your Microsoft 365 cloud environment with the latest SHI-led security service offering. Introducing the Microsoft 365 Security Workshop and Threat Check. Gain visibility into threats across email and identity data. This security service offering leverages tools like Azure Active Directory Identity Protection and Microsoft Cloud App Security to gain visibility into your environment. The outcome is a better understanding of threats in your cloud, data, and email. Through the process, we provide you with findings and recommendations, while ensuring there is no impact to user experiences or devices. At the end of this engagement, you'll have a better understanding of security risks within your Microsoft 365 cloud environment and a prioritized game plan to address any gaps. Want to learn more? Click the Learn More button or contact your dedicated SHI account executive today.